All right. I was asked to break down part of a like a legato thing I had done in another video. So I'm gonna do my best to break it down and kind of just show how I go about it. I'm not good enough yet to use a fret wrap, so I'm going to use my other hand just to isolate this one. It is a Mixolydian legato lick. So we're gonna get this sound in your head. I usually try to practice most with the open E. That way you can play over them so you don't find the wrong notes, so that you can practice it in the key. And that is the kind of the sound we're going for. The lick itself in question is it's a series of 8 notes, and it's one pattern that repeats itself in that scale, literally from the low E on up, you know. So the lick itself, one of the big tricks to this is making sure that you're as quietly as possible getting your hand in position, which will be the 10th and the 14th fret. I use my middle for the 12th fret. I don't have fret markers, so it's going to be difficult. And the sound is you're pulling off with your pinky, but you're not hitting that note, so that you're just getting just that note. And the idea is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's that same pattern and shape on the high E and the B string. 10, 12, 14, 12, 10, 14 on B, pull off to 12, and back to that A. And instead of moving it up and down, after every one of those positions, I slide backwards or forwards. The reason is it gets difficult to use that pinky to hammer on to the lower string to finish that pattern, but then go back to the higher one and then back down, all in the same series of 8s. So if you slide it, you actually get the first note that's already has that initial attack to continue. Here's what I mean. And that starts the next 8. And that's the beginning of the next one. And that slide starts the next one. If you were to pick it, just for the sake of getting the notes in your head, shifting down to the 9th fret on the B, 11th fret on G, 9, 7, then continue, slide down one. If you were to tab it, 6, 7, 9, 7, 6, 9, 7, 6, ending on the D string. Sliding forward. Then sliding a whole step down. And then I think for the whatever the end is. So all together, basically, it's we'll do it again. One more time. Cool. Thank you. Every rose has its thorn is the next lesson.